Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another exciting episode of Exploring Earth's Hidden Treasures. Today, we embark on a thrilling journey to uncover the fascinating world of minerals. From dazzling gemstones to essential elements, we'll delve into the depths of the Earth to discover the incredible secrets hidden beneath our feet. So, grab your pickaxe and join us as we unearth the wonders of minerals. Minerals are naturally occurring inorganic substances that possess unique physical and chemical properties. They form through various geological processes deep within the Earth's crust. Let's explore how minerals come into existence. Time-lapse animation showing tectonic plates shifting. Volcanic eruption with molten lava. Underground water seeping through rocks. Crystals growing in a cave. The Earth's crust is made up of different rocks, which are composed of minerals. Through geological processes like cooling and solidification of magma, volcanic activity, and precipitation from underground water, minerals start to crystallize and grow over millions of years. These natural processes give birth to an incredible variety of minerals with diverse colors, shapes, and properties. Minerals are classified into several categories based on their chemical composition and crystal structure. Let's take a closer look at some of the most common types of minerals. A collection of gemstones, including diamonds, rubies, and emeralds. A mineral identification kit with samples of quartz, feldspar, and mica. A mineral-rich rock, such as granite or basalt. Precious metals like gold and silver. Gemstones, such as diamonds, rubies, and emeralds, are highly valued for their beauty and rarity. They are formed under specific geological conditions, often deep within the Earth's mantle, and are prized for their vibrant colors and exceptional clarity. On the other hand, minerals like quartz, feldspar, and mica are abundant and widely distributed. They are essential components of many rocks and play a crucial role in various industries. These minerals can be identified using specific tests and properties like hardness, color, and cleavage. Additionally, minerals can also contain precious metals like gold and silver. These valuable elements have captivated humanity for centuries, driving exploration and shaping civilizations. Minerals have a significant impact on our daily lives, far beyond their aesthetic appeal. Let's explore the diverse applications of minerals in various industries. Construction site with workers using limestone and granite. Scientists in a lab using minerals for chemical experiments. Factory assembly line showcasing the production of electronic devices. Solar panels and wind turbines generating renewable energy. Minerals are essential in construction, where rocks like limestone and granite are used for buildings, roads, and monuments. These durable materials provide the foundation of our infrastructure. In laboratories, minerals find applications in chemical experiments, catalysis, and research. They serve as catalysts, conductors, and even provide the base for numerous scientific discoveries. Furthermore, minerals are indispensable in the production of electronic devices. They are used in the creation of semiconductors, capacitors, and batteries, powering our smartphones, computers, and other technological marvels. As we strive towards a sustainable future, minerals play a vital role in renewable energy technologies. Components of solar panels, wind turbines, and electric vehicle batteries heavily rely on minerals like silicon, copper, and lithium.